step down, that he be relieved from the government duty so that he can focus on the upcoming election after poor show in Maharashtra. Devendra Fadnavis to meet Modi in the national capital today. Possibility of a meeting between him, Narendra Modi and Amit Shah. Mohit. Okay, I'm being told that we'll have Shivani joining with more inputs on this development. Shivani, if you can hear me, Devendra Fadnavis is likely to meet Narendra Modi and Amit Shah is what we're given to understand after he announced that he'd like to step down and that he be relieved from the government duties.
Well, as of now, the information comes in that Devendra Fadnavis is expected shortly in the national capital, where he will be meeting the Prime Minister and also the Home Minister. Will be discussing about his decisions, his thoughts over the defeat that the NDA has faced in the state of Maharashtra, and henceforth the further procedure, the further steps ahead will be discussed and decided. As of now, we have seen that yesterday Devendra Fadnavis made a very big statement by stating that he wants to get off from all the designation that he owns in the party and will rather be dedicating his all work for the party's growth. And that has been clearly not being accepted by the BJP leaders, and Maharashtra BJP leaders are also trying to stop Devendra Fadnavis from taking such decisions. But as of now, Devendra Fadnavis also spoke to the higher commands of the party, and that's why he will be coming to the national capital, meeting them, and then a decisive discussion will be held and further developments will be seen for the NDA in Maharashtra.
In fact, leaders like Sanjay Raut already taking a jibe at Devendra Fadnavis, reminding him of his 2019 slogan, "Me Punha Yein," which in English means "I will come back again." Sanjay Raut says, you made that slogan, came back to power, and now you want to be relieved of your duties.
Well, we have also seen that how Sanjay Raut is clearly taking big at Devendra Fadnavis. Yesterday also when he spoke to Times Now, he clearly mentioned that the magic of Fadnavis has gone. People of Maharashtra have...
People of Maharashtra have taught him the lesson that how he broke two major parties in Maharashtra. He broke families in Maharashtra, and as a result of that, now he will face, some kind of the negative comments, some kind of staying out of the governance in Maharashtra. And in fact, in future also, when Vidhan Sabha elections will be held, at that very time also Devendra Fadnavis will see defeat, and the MV is all set to defeat the NDA in Maharashtra. Even today, Sanjay Raut has clearly stated that Devendra Fadnavis' magic has clearly gone. It is the Fadnavis who's tried to also broke the Sangh Parivar, the RSS as well, and has gone ahead of the party protocols of the BJP. And that's why we clearly see that after Devendra Fadnavis has taken complete responsibility of NDA's performance in Maharashtra, now the opposition is clearly targeting and attacking Fadnavis, and that's why this very particular meeting which is expected to happen today in Delhi.
In fact, Shivani, let's play out that reaction of Devendra Fadnavis taking full responsibility of BJP's performance in Maharashtra.
महाराष्ट्र में चूंकि एक प्रकार से भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सारी जिम्मेदारी महाराष्ट्र में एक लीडर के रूप में मेरे ऊपर थी, तो ये जो हमारा महाराष्ट्र में डिबैकल हुआ है, या जो हमें एक प्रकार से हार मिली है, हमारी सीटें कम हुई है, इसकी पूरी जिम्मेदारी ये मेरी है। मैं इस जिम्मेदारी को स्वीकारता हूं।
पूरी जिम्मेदारी मेरी है, said Devendra Fadnavis, and this has given a lot of opportunity to the opposition there in Maharashtra to put the blame on Devendra Fadnavis and say that Devendra Fadnavis has lost the hold. Many, in fact, also claiming, Shivani, that this is a result of the rift between, so-called rift between Devendra Fadnavis and Mr. Vinod Tawde.
Well, we have to also understand on one side, when we talk about Maharashtra's politics internally, it is being always said that it was Devendra Fadnavis who sidelined Vinod Tawde. As a result, Vinod Tawde was sent to Delhi, but again he became a close person, a close aide to the top commands of the BJP and henceforth was given larger opportunities, which was not liked by Devendra Fadnavis, and interference of Mr. Tavade in Maharashtra was not welcomed by Devendra Fadnavis, is something that the opposition leaders are also claiming and stating. And that is why no talks as of now has been done between Mr. Vinod Tavade and Devendra Fadnavis, though we have always seen that the Tavade has been...
So you're saying it's not just about taking more responsibilities for the assembly elections, there's more than meets the eye. We'll talk about that further. Shivani, stay on with us.